Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here today to do a little share of some cards that I've been making from a lovely kit by Artymaze. The kit itself is, I think, designed, or the artist that prompted Artymaze to make the kit is Alphons Mucha. I'm hoping I'm saying that name right, but that is the name of the kit, Alphons Mucha. I, being of a certain age, recognised the images and just wanted the kit. It's as simple and as basic as that, and in the meantime I've had to change the program I use to upload my videos, so I thought, well, I'll share the cards with you in another little bit and then try out this new system. So I'm hoping it does work. But here are the cards and they are an absolute delight. I've not measured them, which is a bit naughty, but I can do that. They are 5 3/4 by 2 3/4. I love these slender, these slender cards. I was first introduced to them by the very, very lovely Dannielle Rose, who is no longer with us, bless her heart. But I, as I say, fell in love with these slender cards, and just every once in a while I bring them out and make use of them because they are such a lovely, lovely size and ideal for popping in the post. You'll see I've added my usual little bit of glitter to the digital image, purely and simply because I think it just, for the time of year, autumn stroke winter, we're sort of heading off in that cold world weather, or cold weather world is better, and so I wanted to just suggest the coldness in the image as it stands. This one is definitely autumn with the basket of fruit and the autumnal colours. This one is a wee bit more wintry, I think you'll agree. And it's just a lass with some blossoms here and some quite whimsical hair lines and forestry in the background. But again, putting that little bit of glitter on, nothing too outlandish, just makes them look so, so pretty and lifts up the design. I used to have an image, I think it might have been this one, on a mirror when I was in my early 20s perhaps, I can't remember now, but it was a mirror that I absolutely adored, and you know, one of the first things I bought for myself at that time. This is another one, again whimsical but very, very charming with the birds. Bless her, she looks cold in this one, but you know, I've just put the frosting on the trees, as I hope you can see, and then a little bit on the ground and on the birds here. I know Artymaze is planning, or had talked of doing, a journal using these images, and I think if she does, it will be stunning. Not that her work isn't stunning all the time, but you know, something like this is, it just needs to remind people that these images, although a bit Art Deco di-da, are still very beautiful today. You know, it's not something I think that would go tremendously out of fashion. All of the cards, as always, are lined, and then I've made the matching envelopes to go with, so that is cards that will end up on someone's mat at some point when I send them out in one of the swaps that I belong to, or something of that nature. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing them. The other thing I'm sharing with you is also from Artymaze. Let me widen out a touch. Bring that back and over there. And Andrea has been making wonderful donations to her Facebook group, and this is a freebie from the group, and I just fell in love with it. And what you get is the pocket shape here with your fold lines. This I would actually stick down onto a journal page or what have you. I've then lined the back of that with a piece from the autumn medley, I believe. That's another kit I've got to be working on. And then I decoupaged. I think if I hold it that way you can see it really is quite dimensional onto the front there with this extra piece. It all comes as part of the sheet. I don't know if I've got it still to hand. I think probably not. But anyway, it comes out on one sheet, and you get the, as I said, the pocket, this extra layer here, and then images like this that you can cut out and decoupage. Again, I've added a little bit of the glitter just because I like to, and it's not to detract from the design in any way. My hope is to enhance it, as you can appreciate. And then this is an insert. I think they're called time clocks, or oh no, this is a library card, and I've taken the image from the front but this time kept it flat, put the little butterfly in place there, no glitter on this, and it can be a journaling spot, or you know, just something that you might attach a paper clip of something to, and then keep it in the pocket to keep it safe. But I just thought that was so tasteful, and a very easy project to do as a standalone in a gift way, because clearly you could attach a token or gift card or something in there and send it out, or indeed as part of a journal. You know, it doesn't have to just be a sit-alone thing. That's what I love about the digital kits. They speak to you and you go on from there, and, you know, just make whatever pops into your mind. Well, that's what I do anyway, having printed them out. But I just, as I said, wanted an excuse to try out this new program for uploading videos to YouTube. And I also wanted to share these cards with you. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing them. Take care, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye bye for now.